Good morning from Norwegian Joy, day 6. We are on our way to Great Stirrup Cay, which is Norwegian's Bahamas. That's their private island. That is tomorrow. Today is a sea day.
We filmed our ship tour from the lowest deck to the highest deck. That video will be out. We'll put a link to that if it's already out. Otherwise, look forward in the future. We'll see what kind of order we put this together.
Yeah.
We're going to run and get breakfast. They do have 2 main dining rooms open for breakfast, Taste and Savor, until 9:30. And then we have some group activities planned today.
We do. We have a bar crawl for our private Wanderfull Group Cruise. Mm-hmm. And then we have a group dinner tonight as well.
I think that's going to be in the big main dining room. That'll be the Manhattan room. We had the teppanyaki specialty group earlier in the cruise, so this one's a little bigger group, I believe.
Just Rob is joining us for this one. He didn't join us for the last one. So 16 of us in the main dining room. Kind of crazy. Tomorrow is going to be a fun day, but we'll get to that a little bit later and let you know what we're going to be doing tomorrow. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and go grab some breakfast and some coffee, and we will take you along with us for the rest of the day. And this would be Will. Say hello to our fans.
Some of the most fun times we've had on board have been in this space because it's like a little club.
Highly recommend. If you want an adult space, non-smoking adult space, get a Vibe Beach Pass if you're in the Caribbean. I wouldn't really recommend it if you're in Alaska, unless you're going to be there in a warm month.
Alrighty, we are up in the Vibe Beach Club.
Yes.
Breakfast is behind us, and we have got our first drink of the day.
Yeah. Breakfast we ate in Savor, I think, again. It's kind of been the one that we've had. We had a little bit of a wait, about 10 minutes or so. It wasn't awful. Service was a little slow this morning. They seemed to be running around quite a bit, but breakfast is breakfast. It's bacon.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hello, everyone. We are getting ready for our bar call for the day, but wanted to give you a quick update. We went to the Vibe for a short time, had a quick drink. Adam and Elizabeth wound up meeting us for a short time. Then we went down to the casino and actually did okay. We were up and down, but we kind of came out even.
Yeah, we did all right in the casino. Then we needed to get a little food before the bar crawl. We went to the local and had a light lunch, and now we're off. The bar we chose to start at, it has the Wheel of Fortune is going on in the atrium right nearby. We might have to start at a different...
We're gonna rearrange some stuff, but we're gonna all meet, and then we will take you along with us because we've got a big group coming along, at least 10 plus people for sure.
We'll see who's still going, because some people took naps.
We'll see.
Last night was a rough night for a lot of people. We went to bed early, so
several people are struggling today. So we will catch up with you at bar number 1. Okay, Wanderfull Life Group. Everyone has a drink now. Thanks for the whistle, whoever did that. Yep. I just want everyone, well, first we want to say thank you again. We're so happy everyone is here with us for our first group cruise. And I want to say cheers. This is drink number 1 for the day for our bar crawl. Okay, bar number 2. Drink number 2, or whatever number you're at. Cheers.
You can do it.
whole difference.
Tim says you're not enthusiastic enough. Cheers.
What am I supposed to do now? I look crazy. I don't know.
Bar 3.
Bar 3.
Drink 3. Cheers.
Technically bar 5s. Yeah. We bypassed 2.
Okay, well, those of you who have had other drinks, I'm not counting.
All right.
Wanderfull Life Cruise. Bar number 4.
Number 4.
We are at the sugarcane mojito bar. Most of us are drinking mojitos, not all, but that's okay. I know you will. I have no worries. So, cheers, bar number 4. Drink number 4.
Quattro. 4, I need my 4.
Quattro.
I feel like we're on that on our 4th hole. We're on our 4th hole.
Yep, exactly. Wanderfull Life Travelers. That's what I'm going to start calling everyone. We are at Bar 5 at the Cavern Club outside on deck 8, which is right up beside the beautiful ocean. Yes, it is.
So,
Cheers.
Cheerio.
Drink number 5. Well, for some of us.
golf course number 5.
Not everyone.
That would be old.
Cheers.
Old 5, baby. Tina doesn't know what she got.
That was a premature cheers from you.
BMI.
Okay.
I am binary.
Cheers and thank you for being on our group cruise.
Absolutely. Cheers. Evidently.
Hello, everyone. We just got ready and we are getting ready to go to dinner.
We just finished our bar crawl. We did 5 bars on the ship.
Yes.
Some inside, some outside, and we're going to meet all of our friends at the Manhattan Room. It's one of the main dining rooms.
We have a group dinner planned tonight for about 16 people. And it should be fun. So hopefully Manhattan Room has everything taken care of okay. I did reconfirm the reservation. It looks like everything is okay. So looking forward to meeting up with everyone.
We'll catch up when we get there. All right, we just finished our dinner at the Manhattan Room with all our friends. Everybody kind of splintered off. Our friend Tyrone's going to hold a spot for us in line at the Cavern Club because it's a pretty popular venue tonight. The Beatles, or the Beatles Revolution, are going to do Sgt. Pepper, which is a pretty difficult album to do live.
It's a very difficult album, but and Cavern Club is a small venue, so it fills up really quickly, so you got to get in line early.
So we'll bring you along to the Cavern Club.
Beatles Revolution!
Good evening, everyone. We are finally wrapping up tonight. It is 11:25, and it was a long day today on board.
We did a lot of activities with our group cruise crew.
It was a really big, inclusive day for all of our groups. So,
But we'll give you a little recap. I think we left you going into the Cavern Club. We filmed a little bit in there.
it was a great show. Oh my gosh, these guys are so talented.
It's Sgt. Pepper's was one of the the most popular albums, but it wasn't something they planned to
Didn't they
perform
play
live.
from a couple of other albums too, even though it was
Yeah.
mainly Sgt.
Yeah, there's a
Pepper's?
little bit
Okay.
of Revolver in this one. They had a little bit of the White Album,
Okay.
but yeah, it was really exhausting to watch
I
them
don't-
go
yeah.
through all of that.
I don't know the albums, I just know the songs, but it was fantastic. These guys are really, really, really good. I do miss Sid Norman's a little bit from the other ships, but it was kind of a nice change.
And then we caught a little bit of the glow party, the first 20 minutes. Really loud. Looks like a lot of fun, but we've had enough.
We didn't talk about dinner.
I suppose we'll go. The dinner was just so much conversation that the
So-
food was secondary.
So the Manhattan room set us at 2 different tables. We had 16 people. I was kind of hoping we'd all be at one. I know that that would have taken up a lot of space, but it really separated out the group, which I
Yeah.
was a little unhappy about. I'm not going to complain, but whatever. The menu tonight was just so-so.
Yeah, it took me a while to come up with what I was going to get, and I had to go kind of off the menu and upgrade.
I had a cheese ravioli with a lobster sauce on it, which was good for an appetizer, and then I did the lamb shank. It was actually very good, I'll be honest. There were a couple of other people that got it too. Very tender. It came with potatoes and carrots. It was a good meal. And then I got the Snicker pound cake, which is always good. I've had it before.
Well, I had cream of asparagus soup. I had asparagus with my entree as well.
I think he did it on purpose, guys.
No, it was. I got the filet. There was a $20 upcharge.
Yes, he's done that twice now.
I
And we're
just-
having steak tomorrow night too.
I've had so many of the things that were on the menu, and I know I don't like them, so I had to go for something safe.
He doesn't eat lamb. He doesn't eat paella. There were some odd things
No
on the
thanks,
menu
and
tonight.
I know
so
the turkey croquettes or whatever they are dry.
they're
in
always
most
dry.
cases.
The medallions, yeah.
So I'm happy with what I got. The steak was done perfectly.
Yeah, it looked good.
Basic ice cream sherbet thing, but for dessert, except they kind of goofed and they put it in 2 separate little bowls.
But didn't you get like sweet potatoes instead of mashed potatoes? Or
Yeah, that was
something
another
tonight? That was a
confusing
little
thing.
odd,
You'd get
but-
that with like turkey and not with beef, but
Yeah, that was a little
that's fine.
strange. I don't know what to say.
Um,
But dinner was good. Everyone had a good time. We had some good wine and
Mm-hmm.
some good laughs, and it was good. It was a great day. It really
Mm-hmm.
was. Long, but good.
Everybody went about their. On the way back up here, we saw some friends heading over to the casino. Good
They-
luck to them, to Brian and Anita. I don't. So tomorrow is Great Stirrup Key, and we've got
2-bed family suite at Silver Cove tomorrow. So
Mm-hmm.
it holds up to 20 people. We have 16. The last 4, I think they do an upcharge for. So what I paid was for 16 people. It's on the lagoon side. I'm looking forward to it. We've never done this before. Great Stirrup Key has some new things. There is a new pool there. They've really been doing some remodeling, and there's a new dock. First time that will be docked at Great Stirrup.
So we will see you in the morning. Our camera battery is almost dead from all of this.
Yes, it's been a long
And
day.
we're almost dead from
Very
doing
true.
all of this.
The glow party was just fine, just as a final note. Not really our speed, but a lot of people looked like they were having fun. Anyway, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy our channel. Keep watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And we will see you tomorrow.
All right, good night.
Good night.
Fantastic.
So this is our beach right here.
Thanks for coming along with us on our sea day today. Join us tomorrow on Great Stirrup Cay. We can't wait to show you around our posh 2-bedroom Silver Cove villa. And as always, keep living the wonderful life.